This is Mr.BoldoZ. I'm just an ordinary creator. And today, I'm launching my first YouTube channel using AI. Right now, so many people are starting faceless YouTube channels. And the reason is simple. With AI, we can do everything on our own. I'm not a professional video creator, but I'm generating my character with Leonardo AI, creating voiceovers with 11 Labs, and editing everything in Canva. With AI tools, there's nothing stopping you from starting your channel today. On this channel, I'll be sharing my journey as I learn and build. If you've ever wanted to create a faceless channel too, come build it with me. This is just the beginning.